How to split files in SPSS. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your SPSS and you already want to import the data that you would like to split today. Now head over to the top of your screen and click on data. Now you want to scroll down to where you see split file. Now you want to head over to compare groups and then I'll be checking on the box. Now you're going to be locating group based off on, and for me today I'm going to be choosing based off on the shipping mode, but you can go ahead and choose what you want yours to be based on. And when you are done, you want to head over to OK and tap on it. And now if you head over to our shipping mode, you can see how the split happened. And guys, this is how easy it is to split files in SPSS. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.